watch our new home design 2019 15 lakh. It is a 2-story house with 4 bedroom. A spacious sit-out is provided in front of the home. Now we are entering into the living room. Here, according to the shape of the living area, a beautiful round sofa is setted along with the ceiling. Now we are entering the dining hall. Here we can see a beautiful staircase with LED lights and wooden handrail leading to the first floor. A well-furnished table set is provided at the side of the stair. A contemporary wash basin is set at the basin area. And behind this, a ladies' sitting area with an elegant ceiling is given. Now we are in the first bedroom of the ground floor. Here, a double cote bed is provided with a well-worked ceiling. This is the master bedroom of this home. It is a well-furnished bedroom with a beautiful ceiling work. This is the attached bathroom to the master bedroom. Now we are in the kitchen. It is a well-furnished kitchen. Now we are seeing the stunning stove area. Now we are going to first floor. We reached a tall area of the first floor. Here we can see that a beautiful sofa set, a king swing and a shelf area. As we are moving from the hall, we can see a butterfly statue and spacious foyer. This is the top view of the living room. Now we entering into first bedroom. We can see a double cote bed and wardrobe. Also a attached bathroom. Now in the kids' bedroom. The speciality of this bedroom is its color. Our pink-colored wardrobe is setted. This bedroom designed according to kids' preferences. This home looks very attractive because of its neatly done interiors and exteriors.